Hey guys, and welcome to updates on the 8th of November 2023. So our satellite today shows that we've got a low set to our north, this little swirl here, and south of that we have these specks on the charts, and these are shower clouds pushing in from the west on this strong and blustery westerly winds, and these will stay with us tomorrow and Friday. But on Friday, the winds should veer to more of a northerly direction. Now, this is the 5 day forecast. So we can see it today. We had showers moving eastwards over Ireland, some heavy ones in there, especially in the west. Tonight, we'll see showers peppering the western half of the country. The eastern half should stay largely dry. On Thursday morning, though, these showers will spread countrywise, into the afternoon especially. So all areas at risk of heavy downpours with hail and thunder on the strong and blustery westerly winds. Tomorrow night, we will see a more general area of showery rain move in from Connacht down through Munster and into South Leinster as well, and this could bring quite a wet night to these areas before it clears southwards, and behind that, winds will veer northerly towards Friday morning. Now, Friday, we'll see an area of showers on this run anyway, moving from the northwest through the Midlands to the southeast during the day. Some heavy ones in there possibly. On either side of that, we will see sunshine, but also on that north coast, we will see a few showers. And into Friday evening, we will see clear skies and sunshine, but a cold night and a frosty night on Friday night. Now, Saturday, we will see some high clouds moving in from the south, and this will bring some rain to Munster in the evening, but this will be mainly light to moderate and will die out towards the nighttime hours, though, though it will come back towards morning and push a bit further northwards, affecting the Midlands by Sunday morning. On Sunday, we'll see a heavier area of rain move eastwards over Ireland, and this will open the door to westerly winds after that. So we go to Monday. We see an area of heavy rain move in from the southwest overnight, and Monday we'll see sunshine showers on this blustery westerly winds. There could be some quite serious winds with this low on its southern edge as well. So there is a risk of some stormy weather for a time locally on Monday. This is the NAO next observed and GFS forecasters. So we're currently around neutral with the NAO. It's dropping back towards a more negative level though, and will remain, and the ensemble mean will remain below neutral, into, well, actually beyond the 15th of November, and this black dash line never gets above that neutral line again. So the Azores high is, we're backing off the idea of the Azores high becoming more influential into mid-November. So that idea is slowly drifting away. So it's currently looking more likely that it will stay with our current pattern, with the lows and jet stream being a bit further south than normal. So this is the GFS, and we see tomorrow we'll see a blustery westerly winds with to the south of a low around the Faroe Islands here, and we will see this low come southwards on Thursday night, bring some rain with it. Behind that, we'll see a northerly wind on Friday. That will bring showers, especially to the Midlands and north, on Friday, but some decent sunshine as well. A frosty night on Friday night, and Saturday will start crisp and frosty, but into the afternoon and evening, we'll see a weak front come in from the west. Sunday, we will see a trough move in from the west. This will bring rain with it, especially to the south and west. We actually have this low is struggling against some slight blocking to the north. Quite interestingly. However, as we know, on Monday we'll see a push from a more active band of rain and strong southwesterly winds, and that will manage to break the Atlantic through into Monday and Tuesday, and we'll go westerly beyond that, with these showery winds, with rain at times. Now, beyond mid-month, I was seeing the Azores high ridging northwards actually. So this will be quite frosty, at least to start with, before the high moves eastwards to allow a southwesterly up. So a lot milder with this, but probably with some rain moving in from the west as well. And then in the end, we do break that low through, so we go showery for a time. I will keep going into the final third of the month, and it's looking westerly, as flat as a pancake, mild and wet, possibly very wet and windy there by the 24th. A deep low around Iceland and a strong high from the Azores towards Iberia. A strong westerly or southwesterly winds with bouts of rain and showers coming in from the west. Very mild, classically zonal. This is the ECM. ECMWF. Get rid of that. Okay, so tomorrow from the ECM we will see, or should I say today, because it's it's being released on Thursday morning, despite the fact that I'm recording it on Wednesday evening. So here we go. On Friday we'll see a northerly wind behind that trough that comes through on Thursday night, bringing some rain quite widely. Friday sees showers and nice sunshine, quite crisp as well. Same with Saturday, but Saturday will be a drier day with possibly some rain in the far southwest. On Sunday, we see a trough moving in from the west, and this tries to bring a southwesterly in. At first, it fails, but on Monday, we see a new push, and it comes through, bringing in spells of rain. Now, this little low here on Tuesday, that looks quite severe for the south of the country. Very tightly packed isobars here, a nasty low. Quite small but nasty. And that clears through, and then we go beyond that, and similar to the GFS run actually, the Azores high does come up for a time, bringing some frost for a time in that chilly northwesterly flow, but that high topples to the east and south to allow a very mild southwesterly and upper temperatures. With that, get the plus 10 isotherm in. So this is very warm, but I imagine that is with rain. That's a warm front here, and that's a cold front, and in between we have this warm sector, an area with very warm, mild, and muggy air between these two systems. Warm front here, cold front down here. Very mild air, but probably very cloudy as well, and drizzly, especially on the hills and coasts. This is the UK Met run. So here we go. So we're seeing showery winds tomorrow, some blustery downpours in there, and then the low moves eastwards to allow a northerly on Friday. That brings some colder air for a time. Also on Saturday, a frosty morning on Saturday morning before a low comes in from the west. At first a trough that struggles, but then we do get that push of southwesterners. Look at that. This has a very severe low for the west on Monday morning, so that needs an eye kept on it. Really quite severe there actually. Very isolated, but look, really nasty as well. It's not something that you'd want to be attacked by. Can be very, very nasty with that. Beyond that, we see that jet stream just to our south, continuing to throw up constant bands of low pressure, rain, showers, and that loss. The GEM is looking at this. Okay, so we can see tomorrow's showery winds coming in from the west, and then beyond that we have this low pushing in from the north, and showers come in with that one, and the colder wind on Friday and Saturday. Saturday is frosty, but high clouds comes in after that, after a sunny starts, and rain moves in to the southwest by evening. You can see this little elongation in the ice bars here through here. That shows that the system is very much struggling to push in. In the end, that system moves eastwards and fails to bring in mild air, but that low here definitely, it's gonna succeed in the end to bring in this long fetch southwesterly winds with bouts of rain and winds. Nasty low on the 14th. This is something that's been popping up a lot. This little nasty low around us, so that does need watching. Beyond that, anyway, we see a more southwesterly airflow coming through. So there's a possibility of a nasty low early next week. There could very well be a nasty low around the place. So, name storm possibilities, it'll be isolated, but where it hits, it'll be stormy, big time. This is the icon run, so we know that it's showery tomorrow, very strong westerly winds, heavy downpours around the place. Morning winds on Friday bring showers, especially to the north and Midlands. And then on Saturday, we see a brief ridge bringing in a frosty morning. Bring a frosty morning on Saturday. Then we go into more of a southeasterly for a time as the low struggles to push in from the west before it breaks through on Monday, and we pull in this southwesterly flow. No severe low on this icon run, thankfully, and we'll just keep it westerly and showery with some rain at times. And finally, this is the arpège run. This is the arpège. Fine, get rid of this. Over the hover. So showery tomorrow. Strong westerly winds. That low comes south on Thursday night, and that brings showers with it. Friday, showery and quite cool or cold, and then frosty night Friday nights. Saturday, it sees that new low attacking, and in the end, it breaks through for early next week. We see a severe low here, but thankfully it's well offshore on Monday morning, but we could see more activity on the jet stream. If we're on the jet stream, we're in prime position for a low to spawn out of nowhere and barrel towards us. That's why, this low formed where it was, and the others formed where they formed. It's helped by the jet stream. And it's formed the jet stream is powered by the difference in temperature between the polar air masses and the tropical air masses to the south on this black line. So wait on for now. Quite a lot to focus on. The possibility of a named storm on Monday and Tuesday. So that needs watching. For now, stay safe in the showers and the winds and whatnot, the frost, and I'll see you tomorrow.